If you fail to file your tax return, you will pay 100,000 naira penalty in the first month and 50,000 naira for every extra month. The Nigeria Tax Act 2025 has changed everything. There are new reliefs, new exemptions, and a tax-free threshold. But at the same time, enforcement is now stricter than ever. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to file your tax return step by step, how to reduce what you pay legally, and how to avoid mistakes that could cost you money. Now, let's get into it. First, let's clear one big misconception. My employer already deducts tax, so I don't need to file. That is completely wrong. Under the new law, every single person earning income in Nigeria must file an annual tax return. It doesn't matter if you're on salary or not. Filing helps you confirm that your employer deducted the correct tax. If they deducted too much, you can get a refund. If they deducted too little, you'll need to balance it. Also, most people have more than one income stream. Your salary might be taxed, but what about your side hustle, freelance gigs, or online income? All of that must be declared. And if you ever need a tax clearance certificate for visa applications, loans, contracts, or business deals, you can't get it without filing your returns. So if you made money in 2025, you must file before March 31st, 2026. Now, let's talk about what changed. The biggest one is the 800,000 naira tax-free threshold. This means the first 800,000 naira you earn is completely tax-free. Another major benefit is rent relief. You can now claim 20% of your annual rent, up to 500,000 naira, but you must have proof, receipts, agreement, or bank transfers. At the same time, enforcement is now very strict. If you don't file, penalties apply immediately. Your bank account can even be frozen, and the tax authority can recover money directly from your income sources. So this is not something to ignore anymore. Now, let's go into the actual process. Step 1. Get your TIN, your tax identification number. Without it, you can't file anything. You can register online using your NIN, and it only takes a few minutes. Step 2. Determine where to file. You must file in the state where you lived in 2025, not where you're from or where you work. Step 3. Gather your documents, your pay slips, bank statements, rent receipts, pension contributions, and any record of income. The more organized you are, the easier everything becomes. Step 4. Log in to your state tax portal. If you're new, create an account. If not, just sign in using your TIN. Step 6. Update your profile. Make sure your name, address, phone number, and email are correct. Step 7. Check if your employer already filed returns for you. If you're employed, they should have submitted your PAYE records. Confirm everything is accurate. Step 8. File your personal tax return. Enter all your income, salary, business income, freelance work, rent, dividends, everything. Then enter your deductions, rent relief, pension, housing fund, insurance. Upload proof for every deduction. This is very important. Once you're done, review everything carefully and submit. If there's any outstanding tax, pay it immediately using the available payment options. After that, you can download your tax clearance certificate within 24 to 48 hours. Now, let me quickly warn you about common mistakes. Filing in the wrong state. Don't do that. Not declaring all income. Very risky. Claiming deductions without proof. Your return will be rejected. Using estimated figures. Always use exact numbers. And most importantly, filing late. Penalties are automatic. Once you've filed, your return will be reviewed. If everything is correct, your certificate will be issued. If not, you may be asked for more documents or even audited. And remember, this is not a one-time thing. You must file every single year. Now, before I end this video, let me help you further. If you don't want to stress yourself with all this process, I can actually file your tax return from start to finish, making sure everything is accurate and compliant. Also, I have a detailed ebook that breaks down the entire process step by step in a simple way, so you can do it yourself without confusion. If you're interested in either the Done For You service or the ebook, just check the link in the description or send me a message directly. Don't wait until the deadline. File early, stay compliant, and avoid unnecessary penalties. And remember, financial freedom starts with financial responsibility. I'll see you in the next video.